I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got it.
Welcome back to my channel Z MotoGP. Here I will tell you about MotoGP and other races, which are actually trusted and up to date. If you want to receive information back from us, please subscribe, like, share and ring the bell. Thanks a lot.
Vinales. Those behind me will be scared. Marc Marquez followed Maverick Vinales into P2 of the Italian GP, with the Honda rider sneaking into Q2 and beating the Aprilia rider. The final battle for P2 at the Italian MotoGP Grand Prix was fierce, with riders posting spectacular times at the end and a constant swapping of positions on the timesheets. One of the most significant was that of Maverick Vinales, who was in the top 10 all day and, at the last moment, dropped from the position that gave direct access to Q2. That's how it is, things like this can happen. Today we had a lot of preheated tires and we didn't get the maximum performance or what we expected. We have to understand it and keep improving, said the Aprilia rider at first, not wanting to create too much drama in the situation. However, Vinales reacted when asked about the issue of the stuck wheel after what happened with Marquez, and was asked if the strategy for Saturday's Q1 and, if he passes, Q2 will be focused on not letting himself be followed by any rider, so that the same thing doesn't happen to him. Obviously yes, but it's not a question of legal or not legal. Honestly I don't care if Marquez follows me, but tomorrow I will cut. Whoever is behind me will be scared, because I will hit the brakes. I assure you, I'm not going to joke. On that day, Maverick was particularly annoyed by the poor tire conditions, hard front. The truth is that I had a lot of bounce on the front and we have to understand why, but we more or less know the reason, so tomorrow we have to go out at full speed, with the aim of claiming one of the two playoff places for Q2. Between one thing, the tire issue, and another thing, what Marc did, Maverick was eventually left out. I don't think that's why Marc didn't qualify. We just didn't get 100% out of our bike today. Our bike was ready to go faster, but we had a lot of problems, especially with the front tire, and that's what you have to understand. In other parts of the circuit I went very fast, so that means there is a problem. In the morning we went very well, the pace was good, we went out with racing optics, but in the afternoon when I changed the front tire I saw that something was not going well. We have to talk to Michelin to find out what happened, but they had indications that it was an old unit from the previous 4 or 5 Grand Prix. It happens sometimes, especially on Fridays, when they take the tires off, said the Costa Brava driver.